So the other day I was playing around with YouTube Downloader and I noticed that you can just get a URL to any song, clean it up a little bit, and then you just need to remove the music part and paste that in. And then it's just a quick download. So that means we've got our file right here, and it's a WAV file, and let's check it out. Okay, looks good. Interesting, no DRM. Let's get rid of that. Instead use something like Apple Music. So here I own this track. I can look at the info, go to the file, open the file. Let's take a copy. And then I was checking out Demucs, which is a stream separation model that you could just run locally, and I'm running it in Docker. And so if I get into interactive mode in my Docker instance, and then just run Demucs directly with Maria as the input, it kicks off the separation. It takes a while. Takes 4 or 5 minutes. We'll just wait for the first little bit of output. And now that's finished, let's look at our output folder. And it's created a Maria folder. And here are 4 tracks. I wonder what it sounds like. Okay. So other is everything except for vocals.
You wanna die?
But the separation is sounding pretty good.
Don't you wanna take it?
Let's check the drums. That's definitely only drums. You can't really hear anything else. Maybe bass will be easier to pick up. That's really clean. It's definitely a proper separation.